Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are is some bath bomb for kids. If you guys are an adult and you guys want to use it as well, you definitely can. These are actually really cool because inside the bath bomb, once it expands and everything, it has a very tiny little dinosaur inside, which is really cool. And for this product itself, it actually has a lot of other stuff as well. If you guys take a look right here, it tells you guys everything that's in here. So as you can see right here, they do have a few of these very cute design right here for the dinosaurs. So I'm pretty sure kids will love these a lot. But let's open up the inside and see what it actually looks like. So when you open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside right there. So they provide you guys this very cute little card that has the information to tell you guys what is in each one of the actual bath bomb itself. And if you guys look at the bath bombs right here, each one actually has the picture to show you guys which dinosaur is in each one as well. So like for example, this one right here, if you can see, it tells you guys which dinosaur is inside right here. But obviously you guys want to remove the wrapper and the actual sticker itself first before actually throwing it into your tub. The moment I actually opened up the packaging itself, it definitely has that very strong like fragrance smell to it. But the cool thing about these bath bombs is the fact that the ingredients that they use for the actual bath bomb itself is all natural, and they use like the finest ingredients to make it. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that they're all handmade as well, which is also really nice. Another thing that's actually really cool about these bath bombs in particular is the fact that they actually provide you guys a lot of stuff like I mentioned. So all of these right here. So they provide you guys these cards right here to teach your kids about like each dinosaur, and each one of these cards has information in the back to tell you guys about each one of the dinosaurs, which is pretty cool. And then right here, like they mentioned, they provide you guys a bunch of tattoos that's in use if you guys want to as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go test it out to see how well it works and what actually works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got a smaller bathtub right here that we use for the test itself. And then we got the actual bath bomb right here. So I want to remove the sticker and the wrapper first, and then we'll toss it in here. Alright, so we got it open. So what I want to do now is just toss it in. Alright, then start to see that it's starting to fizz up right there. So basically what we're doing right now is just letting it like do its own thing right here to like give you guys that bath bomb experience. If you guys can see, it's fizzing all around. Let me zoom up a little bit closer to give you guys a better view of it. Alright, so it should look something like that. If you guys want to move it around, you definitely can as well. Just go like that if you guys want to. So basically once the product itself is fully expanded, you guys can actually take out the dinosaur inside. I think this is actually fizzing a lot better than the other bath bomb that I tried in the past. It's actually working really well. I'm gonna let it finish doing its own thing right here first, and then we'll come back and check on it and see what it actually looks like inside when the dinosaur comes out. Alright, so it looks like it's basically almost done. So if I pour out the water, let me show you guys what happens. Alright, and there we have the toy right here. So you can see the toy is basically inside right here, all nicely wrapped inside. So that way it's all secured inside the actual bath bomb itself, which is really cool. Let me open up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so if we open this up, here is basically the dinosaur inside right here. It's stuck in there really tightly. Alright, so that is basically what the dinosaur looks like right here. So each one of the bath bomb has a different type of dinosaur, but this is the one that we have right here. It's definitely pretty high quality compared to the other bath bomb that I tried in the past. So if you guys do have kids or whatever, then this is actually really cool if you can see. And here is the aftermath of the actual product itself. It's pretty purple, so depending on which one you're using, if you guys are using green new one, they'll be green. But if you guys are using pink like this, they'll be pink or purple. So once you guys are done using bath bomb, then this is what happens, and then you guys get the dinosaur inside for you or for your kids or for your friend or whoever. Alright, so you can see that once we're done, this is basically what it looks like. So this is a tiny one from last time when I did the bath bomb for another brand. This time for the one that I just did for you guys, these are the ones that came inside the packaging itself or the bath bomb itself. So this was from the XXL and this is from the regular one right here. So you definitely see there's a huge difference in terms of the toy that's included inside. I believe this one's much cooler and much safer than this one because it's so tiny. If you guys drop it in the sink or whatever, it can get stuck in there. But this is basically what it looks like between the new one versus the old bath bomb that I tried in the past. Definitely a much cooler size of a toy right here compared to the previous one that I tested before. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually works pretty well. Everything about the bath bomb looks amazing. Obviously, these are a little bit different than your normal bath bombs that are made out of like different material and ingredients. These are more friendly for kids because of the ingredients that they use on here, and also the thing that's included inside, like the little dinosaur. That's actually really cool as well. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that for these bath bombs, they are organic as well. So that's actually another thing that's really cool about this product. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys have like a kid or someone's birthday coming up and they love dinosaurs or bath bombs in general, then these are actually really cool to give as a gift. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.